Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lint filter in an LG dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lint filter. The lint filter is located at the filter housing at the bottom of the door opening. The lint filter filters lint from the air that circulates through. The most common reason to replace the lint filter is if the frame is broken or if the screen is torn. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the lint filter, we need to put the fingers here at the back. There's a groove and pull it straight up. This is the old lint filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The lint filter goes in this way. It has a groove here and it has a writing here. So if you can read it, that means it's going in right away. Just drop it into the slot. Make sure it's all the way in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.